Let's go! Happy day, everyone. Welcome to this live analysis with Ivan FX. I'm here to present to you how I think about today, about yesterday, about the future. I said yesterday I'm gonna buy Euro Open, I'm gonna look into Aussie. How did it go? Let's go! Boom. Whoops. There you are. Then you are there. Cool. Woohoo! We have Harold in the house. We have Abbas in the house. We have Happy Days in the house. We have James in the house. I haven't checked. I can't check how much sound it is today. So if it is too much sound in the background, tell me. My earphones capsized and went to sleep, so I need to buy new ones. So yeah, it's kind of my life today. All good, good. So we have 16 people already. Cool. Then that's cool. That's great. So today I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to track how many followers we get throughout this live. And never, like, YouTube tells me, but doesn't really tell me, and then tells me again that I don't know really what. So I'm just going to look, how many do we have right now? 1945. Great. I remember the number. And then I will try to remember and see and hear when that happened, so I can welcome you guys into my family. That's what I'm going to do. So trading risk is Forex. Not a proper for everyone. Past performance is not indicative. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Whatever money you're investing today can be lost tomorrow. Do not risk money you can't afford to lose. Market can crash without you even being able to get out of it. That has happened before. That can happen again. Black swans are there, and that's what really I'm talking about. Events that happens that you don't foresee, and then all of a sudden, it blows up. Whatever I'm saying is all my personal opinion, not financial advice, only for education purposes and sometimes entertainment purposes, because I do love to laugh sometimes. So, hello, Militly. Where are you from? South Africa? You sound South African, eh? South African. So, for those who are in my Discord channel, I'm just going to take away all members list. I don't do that. So, I had like a small vote today. So, this is what is shown on my my side here. It was only myself who has voted. Wix has reacted to. So, I don't know if something is wrong here, whatever it is, but you know. That would be great if somebody could, you know, if you guys do you like that thumbnail or that thumbnail. I went into my analytics, and this one was like, it was just as good as this one. So maybe I need to redo my thumbnails. I don't know, just for fun. So maybe we'll go back to this one. Which one do you feel like blows your mind? If it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. You still click my videos anyways. You can still click my videos anyways. So that's that. So then. Let's go. So we wanted dollar bearishness today, this week. Did we get it? Did we not get it? Well, let's see. Let's see. We're seeing here. Yes, it fell. Boom. Fantastic. Niko sawa, merci. Asante sana. Habari yako. Happy Day says, really missed out on Euro USD. Well, that was just about of buying the Open or buying London Open, and yeah. So it came down to M2 almost. And this is actually from yesterday. This is the lines I drew yesterday. So yeah. And then people want me, I don't know, people like more price action. So if you want more price action, I could do more price action, you know, without the pivot points. But you know, so here we are buying around here. This is your stop loss down here at around these prices, and you're good to go. If you didn't take it, I think happily we need to talk. Hit me up so I can make you rewrite your brain, so we can make you do those entries. I was waiting for a better entry. Yeah, you can't wait for a better entry, bro. Sorry, you can't wait. What's wrong with YouTube? Just had an Arab ads for a broker. I'm sorry. I don't know. Is there even? Did I turn on the? Ads on this one? Okay, cool. I don't know. And sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Depends on the mood I have. Like, I can check. Can I check my YouTube here right now? Like, how much do I get for having those ads on? It's not much. So I guess if you guys are bothered with it, I'm not gonna care about it. But let's go into analytics. No, maybe it goes to. Let's go for one random day last week. Which one can we take? 7 days ago, it's around 1st of June, maybe. 1st of June, give or take there. And that day I earned $0.75. Okay, so by me having on the ads on these videos, I earned $0.75. So I guess it's not worth it for me though. Wear your helmet and jump in Volvo you manage. ECB and FOMC and US CPI this week. Yeah, so let's go through that. I think that's important things to mention. Great. Hello, Michael. Yes, from South Africa, Johannesburg. Okay, so just mention that very fast so everyone is clear, crystal clear of the major event of this week. I'm not going to be here like, oh, you didn't do it. Well, I'm going to tell you, you have to have your eyes open for this week's. Then you go to filter, then you go for high demand. And then we go whatever, and then this week, apply. So, GDP out of Euro tomorrow. We have Bank of Canada statement to Wednesday. We have ECB on Thursday. We have consumer CPI on Thursday. And then we have the G7 meetings. Straightforward. Are you going to be anxious about it? No. So we're going to post what is expectations. Are they going to be more bullish or bearish, depending on what you kind of are seeing in the market. But currently, what I have seen so far is that we might have an upside if they are starting to pose an end to the stimulus. Another one talked about that they are actually going to increase the stimulus or the QE program or whatever. And if they're just going to do nothing about it, I think we're not going to move at all. So I guess it all depends. It all depends. But so far today we have a entry down in this area here. As I mentioned yesterday, I didn't call it because I just expected you guys to know it because I told you guys yesterday. Now, where are we going to go tomorrow? Okay, so if we go down to daily pivots, that could probably give us some kind of entry. Yeah. So between 21.79 and 21.68, somewhere around there, around London Open, I would probably look for another buy. Okay, cool. Boom, done. Fantastic. Hi, Evan. Good evening. I killed GU by up 2% today. That's my man. You bought from 141.28. That's my man. That's how we do it. That's how we roll. That's how we become part of the winners. Winners. I'm so happy with you. I'm so happy. That's how you win. After going 4 minutes, can you go over pound yen? I will do that, James. I will do that. So since you are priority of me, I will give it to you. So I don't know. It's a bit difficult current trading, but I guess you have a higher high now maybe. And yeah, I probably wanted a bit lower before rising. But if you start buying, like, don't be bothered. I can go lower, so just have a small lot size on this one. But I guess pullback tomorrow will probably make it a bit better. So if we go maybe into monthly, probably a better idea. So weekly is a bit too low, and monthly is not low enough. So weekly, not low enough. No, weekly too low, and monthly not low enough. So I'll just wait it out, I guess. I will just wait it out. But right now it's trying to turn. So I would actually probably take a very small lot size and then see how it goes. After that, let's see how it goes higher. But yeah, if it then goes higher, then you can start adding more position size higher, but still be within 1%. So yeah, you are allowed to start buying this one. Weekly, monthly, stronger. I'm not using daily pivots. And you know what? Don't worry about it. I'm trying to fit and cater for everyone here. So daily pivots is just for daily. Like if I'm going to have a new entry today or tomorrow, I'm just using daily pivots to add into my weekly buys. I'm not day trading it. Some people do use it for day trading. I don't. So, cool. So, pound, dollar. Look at that, mate. Boom. Fantastic. So, let's go into it. So, this is the M2 I mentioned yesterday. And the drawdown that you should have on your account is only 9 pips. Great, I will take it away. So, what are we then looking at? How do we technically look at this one? Okay, this was the bottom. This was around M2. Cool. Then you take that one. It went higher. It won't come back down again. And then now it's going higher again. What are you expecting for tomorrow? Probably a new high. Well, this is in a range. I would actually just take this one. Wait for a new higher high and then rising again. So currently you are good if you bought down here in this area, good at 41.20, and then wait for a break higher. If it's going to do it, I don't know. But if you're going to 144, which is our target, we have plenty of time left. So just wait for this one to break. If you didn't take that one, that's kind of the lesson that you have to take is either you are a range trader and buying down here, or you don't and you let it go. And you have absolutely zero remorse about it. Okay, if you didn't take it, I would be zero remorse about it. You're in at 154.7. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Yeah, okay. Sip it low. No, Abbas, listen out. The thing is, it's not about sipping it. It's just that there's different people with different time horizons. Daily pivots are allowed, weekly pivots are allowed, and monthly pivots are allowed. And we try to melt them all together into one cohesive strategy because all depends on your buys. It all depends on the direction. Every one of them needs to go into price action and market structure and who is in control, who's not in control. So it's all part of the package. So if you decide to take away daily pivots, don't worry. There is rather no wins or no loss. It's totally up to you. Okay. So another one that did not go back to the support I wanted it to go back to is Australian dollar, US dollar. This is the buy at open. This is the second attempt around noon. And are you waiting for price to go back down tomorrow? Probably, or you took it here. So there is 3 potential opportunities this morning or today, and I don't know which one you took, but one of them. So this one is probably a bit aggressive. This is probably a bit aggressive, but if you got in and you break even, all is good for you. Hello, Maida. Hello, Maida. Hello. What should we call her? Queen. Queen with a big K. Hello, Queen. Today you have a fantastic day. You're better off. Are you even mostly positive now on your trades? Even though you were very trying to hide the fact where your trades was from last week. So I hope you should be better off now. You held on. I'm proud of you. Okay. So what's up for tomorrow then? What's up for tomorrow? Tomorrow coming in at 1 daily. Coming in at around these prices here, I guess. Yeah. So around those prices between 77.50 and 74.44. Somewhere around there. You'll be liking to buy it. And if it falls below 77.26, let me do it again. If it falls below that price, I will no longer be buying that one. I will just get out then. So that's my plan for now. Okay, so since it bounced off here, I'm looking for that, and then up there tomorrow. Up to, what is the target? 78 something? Check. Checkmate. I've forgotten where my target was. 79. Cool. Hello, Justin. Mr. Ivan. Justin, Mr. Ivan. Do I remember you? It feels like I remember you. Oh, Ali. I'm very good, Ali. Welcome back, Ali. Welcome back. I missed you so much. So don't go stranger like that. Stranger danger. Yeah. So I'm happy for you to be back. So coming into Aussie, everything is good so far. So far, everything is good. So if you are new to this channel, I hope that you send this channel out to everyone in this entire world that needs to learn how to properly do something. Cool. Welcome. Why should you be here? Well, let's say that we in this channel did that market analysis, we did that trade, then we did that trade that we failed, then we started to buy somewhere in here, I guess. Bought some here, and then some losses, and then buying here again. Cool. Let's see how that goes. And we're targeting 123.80. Let's see how that goes. It's all trade plans. In the end, we shall see how it really goes out. Then I need to do that. What is your next pair you want me to cover, so I can go back to that, and then we will continue further on that. So, the other sense that I just want to mention to you guys is the seasonality. For USD, for the past 15 years, it's supposed to rise in the beginning, which we didn't. So I think we're a bit 1 week late. So if we're 1 week late, then we should be, you know, strong and gone this week. So far this week is pretty good. And I just hope that we will make a higher high above 2025. Then we need ECB to help us out. We won't know until Thursday if the ECB is going to help us trigger this one higher. And then when we come into the Fed meeting around 16th of June, I hope that we have done that. Then we are around here on 16th, so we can go up or down depending on what the Fed says. If then Fed doesn't talk about taper, and they're like, well, everything is okay, I think USD is going to go higher. If they're talking about tapering, this one is going to fall hard. So, by that point, I have no trade plans. And if they start talking about tapering, that would be a surprise for me. I said next pair, nobody replied. Wow. Nobody? What's wrong, people, today? What's wrong? What are you doing to me? Okay, so let's go through USD CAD. If you have sells or buys in this area, I can't, well, follow your plan, I guess, but I don't like it. Just because it's a range, and we have been in a lot of ranges lately, and it's just range bound. So until it's broken, done something, I am not so interested. So I would just take a pause here and come back to it another day and see how it goes. Well, there's other pairs that also ranges, like Aussie. But yeah, it is what it is. Muhammad says gold. Joel says Nasdaq. Then we can go through New Zealand. New Zealand gave you a lot of pips today, Mr. Abbas. Why didn't you take that one? Why are you stubborn? Eh? Stubborn, eh? Don't be stubborn. So what we can take out of this one is weak late, and yeah, it just went higher. Question becomes, is it so strongly higher that it's going to fall as strong? I don't know. We are definitely 100% back to where we were last week. And yeah. Like, I still want us to kick off that one. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Maybe it's just gonna be strongly higher. So yeah. So hope for some kind of pullback tomorrow or around Asia, and see where we can pick it up at 8 AM tomorrow morning. Melendley asks, pound. I hate New Zealand. I know you hate New Zealand. You're so fragile. You're so fragile, bro. Nasdaq, coming into Nasdaq. Just going Nasdaq very fast. I don't know if people do care about Nasdaq, but do only monthlies. Came into the buy zone. You're gone strong, by the way. Monthly buy zone, you're gone and strong. Monthly buy zone, you're gone and strong. Monthly buy zone, you're gone. Yeah, maybe that didn't work out. You're gone and strong. Okay, gone and strong. Nothing. Gone and strong. So yeah, that's kind of what you do. Everything is okay. Everything is good. Yeah, I know you were. You were away for more than a week, bro. But yeah, hope you had some good holiday, some good rest. Yeah. Also, will be more chance versus New Zealand as retail traders. So, people ask me, Evan, do you look at this sentiment report all the time? No, I don't. I mostly look at it because this Abbas guy is mentioning it. And he apparently has a lot of YouTube accounts, apparently. So, for Euro, they are 62% of them are net short, but they have been 70%. So that's kind of a bummer. For Aussie, there's coming in a lot more short extra now, so it's turning bullish. Same thing for Aussie Yen. Let's go to Aussie Yen and see how that kind of goes out. So for Aussie Yen, this is kind of the trade plan I made for you guys yesterday. So let's see how that goes. It opened up at M2. I don't know if anyone was able to take it. Maybe it's just a broker that spiked out and then gone. So your entry should be somewhere in here. And it didn't do much today. So at least hoping gone strong. Hope is a hope, and stop loss below 84 and hope for the best, I guess. 84 or 32. So it's a 50 pip stop loss. Great, whatever. Leave it, take it, and gone. Yeah, I know it's, well, sometimes it doesn't do, sometimes it's too updated, like it's too much volatility in it. I just need a trend, bro. I don't need it from minute to minute to second to second. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I know I can. IG sentiment. Is it? Is it this one? No. Well, I will look at it later, bro. So yeah, this one at least. So Euro USD is 66% net short. That's great. Aussie is 61% net short. That's also great. Adding more shorts coming in here. That is fantastic. New Zealand adding more shorts. That's great. So great here. So retail traders are being tricked into selling what we are buying. That is boom, boom, great. Okay, so Aussie Yen, all good. Still no stop loss. Everything is great. And target, you might ask, around 86.20. Still 86.20. Australian dog cat, Canadian dollar yen, sorry, cat yen, cat. I don't feel it, bro. Sorry, I don't feel it. So take away all my nonsense things here, okay? Everything is just pure price action now. What you want to see is, yes, you want to see this reaction to support. by the fall of it, it feels like it can still fall further. So either this price is gonna take or this price I'm gonna take. And it seems to me like it feels like it's gonna take that one. No, this one more than the other one. But let's see. This is your chance. This is your go sign, okay? Then the next one is, does it come back down to 89, 82? I don't know, but that's your other chance. And if it breaks 82, 89, 82, you are dead, okay? How do you draw the head? I don't know. Something. Okay? Either this one in the trend or that one in the trend. Let's see which one it's going to take higher. But also remember, we have had a very strong bullish momentum here, coming into a bit more short, a bit more stopping here, double top. Is it going to continue higher? We don't know. We shall see. Michael says, I need drawing lessons. Oh my, I can't believe it. Why are you so mean to me? I feel bullied. Because my wife, I was supposed to draw a chair for her one day. Like how a chair looks like. So I did this. This is a chair, by the way, okay? Okay? This is how a chair looks like. And nobody can ever believe it, okay? And then that one, and that one, and then that one. Problem was, I made it very small, okay? That's how you can sit on a chair, right? So I made it very small, and if this is a piece of paper, I made it in, like, in this size. And she was laughing so hard that I couldn't make it, like, you know, normal size off the paper. So there's a video of me where she's crying and laughing. She almost dying because I can't draw. So drawing wasn't my best thing in school. Okay, cool. Euro yen, I don't know. I don't know. It feels like it's more bearish than bullish, so I really don't like it. By the way, Abba says. You guys are trolling me! Okay, who was in my Discord channel today where we received, I don't know how many people, where somebody came and trolled me? I don't know how many new subscribers was there today. A lot of people. Christian Bezzalotti, bravissimo. Bravissimo. In Italian. Benvenuto, something. Sorrow needs to help me with that one. So, then we're gone. Pound yen, great, going higher. New Zealand yen, how's that one going? I feel like it's struggling way more than New Zealand US dollar. And okay, so how do we deal with these trades? If you have trades here, this is where you enter, okay? So I was supposed to do that today. So if I was a trader, I would have bought here and I would take a screenshot. Sorry, I will do that better. I will take a screenshot here and I will publish it. No, sorry, I would save it, save image, and I will copy the photo and then into a Word document and save it as my entry. And then I can come back later and see how it went. Easy. And then in the end, you will develop dream trades where you, over time, develop good trades and you can look back visually. How did you take them? And therefore, you learn more and more and more, okay? Please do gold. Yes, Ali, we will do gold. Okay, I will not keep you guys waiting anymore. Okay. Mercy says, I think the drink affects your drawing. I looks concentrated mine. Deleted. You guys are so savage. Yeah, I agree with you, Abbas, on that one. Okay. So I don't know. Do I need like a cold bath or something? I need like an ice bag just to cool my brain off, because I feel like I'm being burned by you guys today. Today you guys are on fire. Okay, so this is a drawing I had yesterday with you. Okay, this is a drawings from yesterday, and yesterday I said, this is your stop loss, this is your entry, and this is your target. Or 20, sorry, this is not your target. This is your target, and or 2000, depending. You at London Open got the low you wanted. I would say you take that one or the entry, depending. That's kind of your job to take, or you take down here. If you have no buy entry on gold, sir, how could you? I must apologize. What do you do in a situation where you don't have any buy entries? You wait for price to come back, hopefully in Asia or by London Open, and take it higher. So this is the entry. This is where you now put your stop loss to break even, and then you go higher, okay? Now we're expecting price to be up here by Friday, hopefully. And we shall see how it goes. So, bullish buys only. Can you sell this one? No, you cannot sell this one, because the reason why you cannot sell it, you could have sold this one, by the way. That's okay. You can just sold this one. And you should be out by the high now, because if you've sold, you should be out now. You should be out if you sold. It's because this is a higher. Okay, okay, whatever, but you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be so savage with you guys. I'm just gonna go higher. So, cool. Okay, now I'm not drawing anymore. Okay, are you guys better now? Are you happy? Happy? No, you can't. Now you need to criticize the. Now you need to criticize the indicator instead. Now this drawing versus what you say, my eyes. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do with you, Abbas? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go and I'm gonna make you feel your own sorrow. Okay. So you posted this chart in the Discord yesterday. Okay. Copy link. So you mean that this is better to understand on EURUSD than this? So where's the resemblance? Like, bro, come on. Is this even fair? Come on. I need a vote. So who has better? Who is better? Who is more messy? I'm gonna drink, and then you guys are gonna have some music. His abstract art. Yeah, so if you come and tell me my charts are messy, I can't draw, come on, bro. Give me better. Give me better. It's all good sports in the end. I know I'm messy. I'm messy as a peg. I know that. So, this is the bull case for gold, and then so bull case, bullish case, bearish. No bearish case. Not allowed. Don't sell it. Okay, cool. Only if it breaks. Only if it goes. Whoops. Only if it goes. Okay, that is red. More red. Cool. Then you have to go lower from now. So more like this. So it has to go low below that one, come back up again, then you can start selling it. But until then, whatever. Adios. I saw Magnus asking for silver case. Let me go through that one too. This one is way better, by the way. This is a good one. That's a buy. Cool. New higher high. Pullback. New higher high. Going up to M4, sorry. And this is looking much better for silver. Yeah, cool. I don't know what I remember. I don't know. I remember saying yesterday. Maybe I like gold more than silver yesterday because this is more of a range. But you know, that's a pretty good. That's kind of what I wanted you guys to do. Double bottom, higher high, higher low. Now it's all hindsight. I know. I'm sorry. Okay, but yeah. If it breaks lower now, I don't know. It is what it is then. Like the vectors I'm into. Yeah. Yeah, you bought gold, you're happy. I'm happy for you, bro. What else? What else, Magnus? Bull case for silver and weekly target is short of 29, so 28.90. 28.92. I just need to remember that you guys are hearing me. Cool, you don't hear me. Then we go back to there. Cool. Thanks, you're welcome, Magnus. So yeah, it looks better to me right now. What else? What did gold for you? Our gold bullish plan is not working out. We're looking for a pullback sometime tomorrow or today, depending. And why did you remember? Where did my drawing go? Did somebody hack into my account and take away my drawing? Did I delete it? Where's my drawing? There it is. This is what I'm expecting for tomorrow. So, cool. Then I will just take that one, copy, paste into gold trade, into the Discord channel. I'll probably also take that New Zealand yen into Discord channel. I think it's the right Discord channel, by the way. Yeah, hopefully it is. Euro USD. Where did that go? Yeah. No, I don't want to do that. I want to do that this one instead. $23.80. Then we have to go past R2 at least. So that's cool. So then we go save image, paste that into the Discord channel. Where did you guys go? There you are. Reda asks, what do you think about crypto? Okay, first of all, risk disclaimer, risk disclaimer, risk disclaimer. It is a very volatile asset. It has a very large standard deviation of the possibilities of where you can go. Okay? First of all, you can lose a lot of money. Two, many people has lost tons of money. Why? It's because I think it's one of the most volatile assets out there. Assets is asset classes. And I've said, as long as price is not above 40,000, it is bearish. So, until it technically is bullish, above 40,527, I am no longer going to buy it. Currently, it is in a range. Okay? Have a good day. So what do you think about crypto? I think it's an asset you can probably make some money on. High risk, fun, but this is not technically bullish so far. It can go bullish in June. It can go bullish in July. Just be aware that whenever it happens, it needs to be bullish, and it's not. So until then, mwah, adios. Mwah, adios, amigos. We're 31 viewers right now. If you're here new, can you please come forward if you're new and say, hey, Evan, and probably tell me where you're from if you've seen me before. I know some of you new guys, are actually from Trader Nick and A1 live, where I'm going to be tomorrow. So I hope that you come there and give me a lot of jokes, a lot of reasons to laugh, so I can laugh much. I think that is kind of what I want to achieve, is to come into that space with a laughing, fun emoji, so that you guys have a fantastic experience. As if tonight, I think I'm pretty good, But sometimes it's difficult to laugh, we're exhausted and tired. So please bring me up to my best every single time I'm live. Have a lot of fun, interact, so that we as a community have a lot of fun. Trading is boring, sorry. And to take away your anxiety, it isn't supposed to be stressful. I know it's stressful. That's why my reaction to all of the situation, how I'm trading, is I try to bring joy, laughter, smile, so that you don't sit there with high shoulders and like, what is going to happen now? What is going to happen now? What's going to happen now? Okay? Cool. Up in this chat, on the top of this chat, is the weekly forecast I made. And I just made it without editing it so much, so it's not doing too well because people get tired of watching it apparently. I kind of get it. I didn't make it very awesome. So yeah, at least some people have watched it. And is there any new viewers today? One new one. Congratulations. I welcome everyone to this new channel. The reason why I want to develop a view here is because I want to help you out. I'm here for you. I'm new today. Yeah, you are not new here, Abbas. You're such a funny... you're such a funny character, you know that. So use this Swiss say going down town to maybe 8900 area for this week. We already should have sold it already by London Open. And if you're not owning it, adios. The other Swissies are, generally speaking, range-bound, difficult to trade, difficult to predict, and difficult to have any thoughts about it. So I'm just going to leave it to the market wizards of Oz and say, whatever happens, happens. Okay? So, I hope you have learned some... I'm not going to go anywhere anytime soon. I hope you have learned something new today. I hope you have laughed a bit. So, if you haven't laughed, I still have time to make you laugh one last time. It's too bad we will be on vacation. I would love to be there to support you. See you when you're back. Kwaheri Mercy, please join my Discord. I'm coming to Kenya soon. Is there any Kenyans here? I'm coming to Kenya soon. And as far as my butt goes, I hope I will be there soon. And when we go to Kenya, I will eat a lot of tacos. So, and samosas, of course. So that would probably change the YouTube things. I just need to make sure I have an office, I have internet, I have a computer, I have web cameras, so I can still serve you guys. That's kind of my problem at the moment. So I'm just trying to make it work so I can go to Kenya. But I will try to be there soon. Hopefully by summertime sometimes. You are new here and you are from Indonesia. Welcome. Namaste, sir. What else? I lost it. Okay. Aussie, higher. Euro, higher. Pound, higher. New Zealand higher, USD CAD lower. When should you sell USD CAD if you're going to sell it? Around 9 a.m., which is in 20 hours, 13 hours from now. That's around the high of the day, generally speaking. You know, as you can see here, 9 a.m., around the high of the day. Okay, cool. And 9 a.m., around the high of the day. Cool. 9 a.m., around the high of the day. So, cool. It might not give you a lot of profits, but you know, at least past 3 days, it's giving you some highs at least around the high of the day. Gold, silver, oil. I fear oil. I want this to rise, but it just looks so technically overbought. It's like, wow, brother, what are we doing? Yeah, probably around Nairobi. Mostly Nairobi though. I don't know if you're from Nairobi or LA or Nakuru. But if you're from Mombasa, it's probably a bit more difficult. But I have a large following in Kenya. So I don't know what I will do about that, if I was going to do anything about it. But maybe we'll set up a meeting. I don't know if President Uhuru is going to allow me to meet anyone whatsoever. So yeah, cool. Joel says, see you in Kenya. We'll be in December this year. We'll have to meet you. Yeah. Tito says, Karibu Kenya. Tacos. Abaz. I forgot. I have not explained this one to you. And for anyone who's not Kenyan, you know what tacos is, right? Right? You all know what tacos is. So when I talk about, as a Norwegian, when I talk about taco, you know, I mean, this is taco, okay? This is taco. This is minced meat, some lettuce, some cucumbers, some paprika, some corn, some pineapple, some, not some kachumbari, some guacamole, you know, comes from Mexico, you know, Mexico. With some tortilla or chapati, you know, that kind of a thing. But when you go to Kenya and say that you're going to have tacos for dinner, I don't know if I'm going to explain it to you guys, but you can take me in the Discord. Okay. By the way, it's a body part you have 2 of. That's as far as I'm going to go. Pink taco. Yeah. Is there a pink taco somewhere? Yeah, of course. Yeah. Yeah, okay. For those who doesn't know, that if you say that you're going to have tacos and the Kenyan starts blushing, it's because it's one of the things you sit on. Okay? It's one in your cheeks. Anyways, so the first time I said to someone in Kenya that was a lawyer, she was like, Ivan, like, what are you talking about? Why are you talking about tacos? Like, why are you eating tacos? Like, what's wrong with you? I know we are alive. Anyways. So, what else? I'm feeling it's hot in here, by the way, people. So, nat gas, range bound, silver going higher, gold going higher, UK oil going a bit sideways. You said something about oil. If what is, should we fear? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know, bro. As long as you're still in profit on oil, you're still cool. But CAD yen is falling. USD CAD is range bound. And the Canadian futures are still range bound, but still going higher on the day. So as a Canadian, the Canadian dollar is still great. So as long as it doesn't make a new lower low below here, you're still No, don't go below 82.39. You're still cool. You have a non-taco question. Which provider do you use for chart on TradingView? The same pairs are offered by multiple. Is there a difference? I mostly use FX, Forex.com or FX.com or whatever. So I use FXCM here, and I use Oanda apparently. Oanda, IDCE, Oanda, Forex.com, FXCM. So the ones that has least amount of wicks is the one I'm using. Okay. Probably Oanda or for FXCM apparently. Somebody asked about your Swissy. Mercy's having fun today. I just went through Euro Swissy, and Euro Swissy is a range bound. It's at the lower end of the range, and yeah, cool. It can go higher, it can go lower, it can break, it cannot break. It's very range bound, and it hasn't done well in May, so whatever. Okay, so you can actually buy here. That would be great. And hope for the best. I hope it doesn't break. And then, as it seems like a 109.30 is gonna hold. It's holding so far. It's still holding. But it doesn't make me feel nice, beautiful inside when I see that it has come 1, twice, 3, 4, 5 times down to the same support. That doesn't make me happy. That is weakness. Okay. So there we go. Why are you starving? So today I told you guys what I ate today. I think I told you guys what I ate today. Oops, that's not what I was supposed to do. This is what I ate today. So this is fish and chips, potatoes, and carrot and vegetables. So now you're not hungry anymore. Now you're not hungry anymore. Okay, we are down to 22. 22 likes today. Thank you very much, by the way, people. So I'm gonna go one last thing. Then we're gonna go. Then we're gonna honor our food and our stomach, and I'm going to use the NOK. And I've said to you guys before, please look for sells on this one. Bearish. And yeah, sell, 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 and in profit. And then sell, probably tomorrow as well, sell, hopefully. So, cool. Thank you guys for joining in today. We've had a blast. I've had a lot of fun today. Please make sure that you subscribe if you want to learn more. I'm here to help you guys. I answer any questions that you have regarding Forex. They tell me that I have a simple system. I try to give it out simple. I use price action, trends, trend reversals, and pivot points to talk about my targets and my entries. And yeah, I try to give you the best value by laughing and having fun. If you're here for that, as well as Forex, good. Boom. By the way, I love you, my family. We are part of the winners. We're gonna win. We are in profit this week. We're doing well. Ba-da-bum. Boom. Have a great day. And let's go to war. War. And we got 1 new subscribers for today. Cool. Thank you. I love that.